Hello, everybody. Are you willing to get voice agent with a single prompt? Let's move. This is my prompt. Just copy this. Very easy. Easily you can create just how I create and follow the steps. Getting voice agent. Control C. Let's move. Let's move to ChatGPT. ChatGPT. eh, ChatGPT. Just paste your prompt. After pasting it, just fill the bracketed form. Bracket is just fill this type of voice agent. Okay. The bracket here. I am to click for healthcare. Cut it. Example for what purpose you will do. I will be appointment booking. Sorry, clear the prompt. The care. This image smile care dental clinic. Going on. Copy this and favorite no code platform that is best for to go. Paste it. After paste it. Pasting command. It. Just wait and watch how my voice is to be created. Very simple. This prompt video. Just check it out. Link in description. And also you can subscribe this channel for more such website building or AI voice agent building. Just check it. Sell to any $1,000, 2,000, any of cost. Going on. Check it. Yes. Create with the keep patience. What are the what are key features in my sales app? There will be dashboard, appointment, services, AI charts, uh, design also created, in medical, dental structure. There is a thing for a minute. Just one effort that my creative sort of. You can also build it for, but after it take a month to recover. Ah, this festival helped a lot to earn money. Truly, this base 44 is not there. How I will earn? I don't. Many other platforms are available, but that is difficult to operate. But this is very easy. See how easy it is just get prompt and it is getting. Also, you can post it to Git also. GitHub connection and you can show mobile TV, computer TV. So it is getting. I am can in my prompt what it included. Two prompts I will provide. One is universal master prompt. Let's see. That's it. You want to eat this? See, I am building my app just using this. Oh, come on, come on. But in coming first for that time I am doing client work. I was fully hungry. That's how my sister bought from me. Come to here. It is also analyzing like everything it included. I am thinking so. All pages is included. In a minute, it's going to a ready-made voice agent. So you can modify then multiple times and earn $1,000, $2,000, anything. Instead of this ChatGPT, also use Gemini, Claude, Grok, anything. So don't forget to subscribe. Understood? Just wait a little. Going to bill. Don't move anywhere. In you. Want other prompts like consistent AI editor, voice agent, or no code website builder. I have provided link in description. Go and check it out. What do you think? Single point get full voice agent or a single prompt full website? I have already shown the previous chapter, previous video how I created website. That's going to make money. It's connected to WhatsApp and the and I'm thinking it created my app. So let's check whether it is functional or not. Comment, chat, type, hello, they responding. Hi there. Can I sit? Uh, I want cooking. That we can have I why not? Get our power. Sorry, get our power. Next here, what is it for? See how beautiful it's asking one by one. Let's check this call. all features available or not. The bro. By this, you can create chatbot complete with voice agent, voice AI. I took the example of Smile Cat Dental. You can take in healthcare, real estate, a salon. Just keep their data, get it. So you also want to create this type of aging agents or a website. Check out link description. Website if anyone or any business want to create their online presence by building their website, they can contact me or comment below. So we will next video for that.